Welcome to our comparison of the DJI Mini 4K and the DJI Neo. Today, we'll dive into the features that make these drones stand out in the market. The DJI Mini 4K is known for its impressive video quality and flight capabilities, while the DJI Neo offers innovative controller-free operation and AI tracking. Let's see how they stack up against each other. The DJI Mini 4K features a 4K Ultra HD camera with a 3-axis gimbal stabilization, ensuring high-quality images and videos even in windy conditions. In contrast, the DJI Neo also offers a 4K camera but with a single-axis gimbal, which may not perform as well in challenging weather. However, the Neo's AI subject tracking enhances its usability for casual users. When it comes to flight time, the DJI Mini 4K offers an impressive 31 minutes on a single battery, making it ideal for longer flights. The DJI Neo, while it can fly for only 18 minutes on a single battery, includes 3 batteries in its package, providing a total of 54 minutes of flight time, which is a great advantage for extended use. The DJI Mini 4K is praised for its user-friendly interface, making it suitable for beginners. On the other hand, the DJI Neo takes ease of use to the next level with its controller-free operation and AI tracking, allowing users to focus on capturing moments without worrying about manual controls. In conclusion, both the DJI Mini 4K and the DJI Neo have their unique strengths. The Mini 4K excels in image quality and flight time, while the Neo offers innovative features for convenience. Depending on your needs, either drone could be the perfect fit for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.